What defines a top-end film or videography tool is not just resolution, but dynamic range, color science, bit depth, frame rates, recording formats, ergonomics, and accessories ecosystem. Here are the 5 standout options from Sony. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Sony ZV-E10 II is one of Sony's most compelling cameras for video because it packs pro-level video features into a creator-friendly body. It has a 26-megapixel back-illuminated Exmor-R APS-C sensor, plus a new Bionz XR processor, enabling oversampled 4K up to 60 frames per second and 10-bit video. Its autofocus system is top-notch, and reliable real-time tracking ensure your subject stays sharp even with movement or changing scenes. It also introduces video features aimed specifically at content creators, like the cinematic vlog mode, looks and moods presets, a vertical UI and vari-angle flip screen, which makes shooting vertical content and vlog style easier. Battery life is significantly better too. Its video-centric features, strong autofocus, and quality 4K 60p with 10-bit make it arguably Sony's best camera for video work in its price class. Number 4. Sony FX30. The Sony FX30 stands out as one of Sony's best cameras for video because it's built like a true cinema tool in a compact APS-C body and delivers pro-grade features without the premium price of full-frame counterparts. It has a 26-megapixel back-illuminated Super 35 Exmor-R sensor and the Bionz XR processor, enabling oversampled 4K up to 60 frames per second and high frame rate 4K 120 frames per second, plus up to 240 frames per second in Full HD. It offers dual-base ISO and delivers 14+ stops of dynamic range when using S-Log3, which helps in low light and gives more flexibility in post-production. Importantly, FX30 also has in-body 5-axis image stabilization and a built-in fan for thermal management, so long takes and handheld work are much more reliable. Altogether, its cinema-line color science, robust AF, high frame rates, stabilization, and the video-tailored ergonomics make the FX30 arguably the best Sony pick when your priority is serious video work. Number 3. Sony FX2. The Sony FX2 is considered one of the best Sony cameras for video because it blends cinema-grade performance with a compact, versatile body designed for both professionals and creators who need high-end results without bulk. Powered by a 33-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor-R sensor and the advanced Bionz XR processor with an AI unit, it delivers exceptional image quality, accurate color science, and impressive low-light capability through its dual-base ISO. The camera records oversampled 4K video up to 60 frames per second in full-frame or Super 35 mode, supports 10-bit 4:2 to 2 internal recording, and offers up to 120 frames per second in Full HD for smooth slow-motion footage. With 15+ stops of dynamic range in S-Log3, it ensures cinematic flexibility in post-production, while S-Cinetone provides stunning colors straight out of camera. Professional features like dual card slots, full-size HDMI, anamorphic D-squeeze, and advanced autofocus with real-time eye AF enhance reliability and creative freedom. Altogether, it offers the perfect balance of cinema performance, portability, and workflow efficiency, making it Sony's best all-around video-focused camera. Number 2. Sony FX3. The Sony FX3 stands out as the best Sony camera for video because it combines the power of Sony's cinema line with the portability of a mirrorless body, making it ideal for both professional filmmakers and content creators who demand cinema-quality results in a compact form. It features a full-frame 10.2-megapixel back-illuminated sensor optimized for video, delivering stunning 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second with incredible dynamic range and low-light performance thanks to its dual native ISO and wide 15+ stops of latitude. While S-Cinetone and S-Log, 3 profiles give cinematic color straight out of the camera. Designed for long shoots, its advanced cooling system enables unlimited recording without overheating, and its lightweight, compact body with multiple mounting points and included top handle with XLR inputs provides professional-level ergonomics and audio control without external rigs. Autofocus with real-time eye AF and subject tracking ensures precision, even in dynamic shooting environments. Altogether, the FX3 delivers the perfect balance of cinema-grade quality, creative flexibility, and portability, making it the ultimate Sony camera for video production across documentaries, films, events, and content creation. Number 1. Sony FX6. The Sony FX6 is the best Sony cameras for video because it brings full-frame cinema-level performance into a highly compact, versatile body designed for professional filmmakers and high-end content creators. Its 10.2 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated sensor delivers exceptional image quality with outstanding low-light sensitivity, supporting dual native ISO for clean, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The FX6 records 4K up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit 422 color internally, offering smooth slow motion and cinematic-grade dynamic range with over 15 stops of latitude, while S-Cinetone and S-Log 3 color profiles provide a filmic look straight out of camera and maximum grading flexibility in post-production. Its modular design includes full-size XLR audio inputs, a robust cooling system for extended recording, and a lightweight, handheld-friendly form factor, making it ideal for gimbal, drone, and handheld shooting. Real-time eye, AF, and advanced autofocus tracking ensure reliable focus on moving subjects, crucial for documentaries, events, and fast-paced shoots. Combined with its cinematic look, professional-grade codecs, exceptional low-light performance, and unmatched portability, the FX6 delivers the perfect balance between image quality, flexibility, and usability, establishing it as a top choice for videographers seeking a professional Sony camera capable of tackling any video production scenario with cinematic excellence. Check out the best lens for your Sony cinema camera, and also subscribe for more videos like this.